Hello everyone, welcome back to our news channel. Students, today we have two news stories that will impact global trade and internet connectivity. Our first story is about the United States trade war, where President Donald Trump has imposed high tariffs on imports, affecting countries like India, China, and European Union. The second story explores the undersea internet cables, the invisible network that connects the world. So we learn how these cables function, why India's network is vulnerable, and what solutions experts are suggesting. So grab a seat and get ready for an insightful ride. Now, let's start with a simple question. What is a tariff? Yes, tariff is a tax that a country imposes on imported goods. For example, if India exports, if India is exporting, meaning it is sending its products for sale to US and US is imposing 27%, 27% tariff, then it means that India has to pay extra to sell its steel there. Okay? So here's what's happening. US President Donald Trump announced high tariffs on imports ranging from 10 to 49%. Okay, and India was hit with a 27% tariff on its export to the US, meaning Indian businesses will find it more expensive to sell products in America. And other countries like China and European Union and Canada were also affected. Okay, तो काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं चल चल रही हैं। तो जैसे कि सबसे पहले तो आपको समझ में आया होगा कि एक्सपोर्ट और इंपोर्ट क्या होता है। एक्सपोर्ट इज़ व्हाट? जो हम प्रोडक्ट अपना सेल करते हैं दूसरे कंट्रीज़ में। इंपोर्ट इज़ व्हाटएवर वी आर बाइंग फ्रॉम अदर कंट्रीज़। हम दूसरे कंट्री से जो खरीद रहे हैं। एंड इंडियन इकोनॉमी, इंडियन बिजनेसमैन को किसमें फ़ायदा होता है? एक्सपोर्ट्स में। सो लेट्स से अगर इंडिया का कोई प्रोडक्ट इफ इट इज़ 100 $100, if India is getting $100 profit, $100 not profit, if India is selling any product at $100 in US, so what has happened now? Now US has imposed further 27% tariff, 27% tariff on this $100 product. Okay, so now Indian businesses, they will find it more expensive to sell their products in America. Question is, why is Trump doing this? See, US has a trade deficit. Trade deficit. What do you mean by trade deficit? Meaning that many countries are basically they are exporting to US. So US has a trade deficit, meaning it imports more than it exports. It is importing more. It is buying products more than it is selling. So Trump wants to reduce this by making foreign goods more expensive. Okay, so if foreign goods will be expensive, so what will happen? Americans will buy local products instead. है ना? अगर देखो आपके पास दो प्रोडक्ट है, दो पेंसिल है, one is imported and second one is local made. Now you are finding the one which is imported cheaper, then of course you're gonna buy that. But because of the taxes that were imposed by the government, let's say it becomes expensive than the local one, so which one you will buy? The cheaper one again. है ना? कस्टमर को क्या चाहिए? जो सबसे ज्यादा अफोर्डेबल हो वो तो उसी को खरीदेगा, राइट? सो that is what Trump want to do. He wanted to make foreign goods more expensive, है ना? So that is the reason he had imposed all these tariffs, and he called April 2nd, April 2nd as Liberation Day, the day America takes back control of its trade. Okay. So how did the world react? See, India's response, you're talking about India's response. So India responded cautiously, saying that it will study the impact and it will engage with industry experts, and then they will let the world know what will happen. Okay, so basically, they are navigating it cautiously. Talking about China, European Union, and Canada, they have threatened to impose their own tariffs in retaliation. Okay, so they said कि we will retaliate by imposing our own tariffs. Moreover, Japan and South Korea, they called it regrettable. And in short, this move has sparked a global trade war. Okay, global trade war. War is something where countries are engaging in aggression, right? So, countries, trade war is what? Where countries keep increasing tariffs against each other. Okay, they keep on increasing tariff. So, how does this affect us? Imagine if your favorite imported chocolate suddenly become 50% more expensive. So, you would probably buy fewer of them. है ना? So, that's exactly what happens to companies when tariffs are imposed. Okay. Now, students, let's shift gears and talk about something we use every day but rarely think about. Internet. Okay. So, did you know that the internet doesn't just float in the air like magic? Okay, it actually travels through cables lying at the bottom of the ocean. Yes, that's right. These undersea cables, these undersea cables are the backbone of the world's internet. Okay, and they are only a few inches thick, but they carry 90% of global data and 10% and 10 trillion worth of financial transactions daily. तो इतना सारा डेटा ये इन्हीं अंडरसी केबल्स के थ्रू कैरी आउट किया जाता है. ओके, बट हाउ डू दीज केबल वर्क? सी, inside these cables, these wires are fiber optics. Fiber optics strands. Fiber optics strands. Okay, which use light to transmit data. तो इस केबल के अंदर क्या होता है? फाइबर ऑप्टिक्स स्ट्रैंड होते हैं. फाइबर ऑप्टिक स्ट्रैंड होते हैं जो कि लाइट को यूज करता है टू ट्रांसमिट डेटा. And at each landing point the cables connect to internet servers, so linking one country's internet to another. So that is how the data travels, and if one cable is damaged, data is rerouted through others, but this can slow down the internet. तो ऐसा नहीं होता कि एक केबल डैमेज हो गई तो बंद हो गया. नहीं, रीराउट होता है लेकिन थोड़ा इंटरनेट स्लो हो जाता है. Right. Now, why we are talking this? Because of course we're going to talk about India's undersea cable network. है ना? तो India has 17 major cable systems. Okay, and mostly landing in Mumbai and Chennai. It also has two domestic undersea cables for the Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep. But here's the problem. India has very few landing station. Okay, so we also need landing stations for the proper transmission of data. ओके, तो इंडिया के पास बहुत कम है लैंडिंग स्टेशन कंपेयर टू स्मॉलर कंट्रीज लाइक सिंगापुर. सिंगापुर के पास इंडिया से ज़्यादा है. सो इफ़ अ केबल ब्रेक्स, अगर कोई भी एक केबल ब्रेक हो जाती है, टूट जाती है, तो इंडिया को फॉरेन रिपेयर शिप पर डिपेंड होना पड़ता है, विच ऑफ कोर्स गोना टेक टाइम टू गेट परमिशन एंड एवरीथिंग. तो ये एक चैलेंज है इंडिया के अंडर सी केबल नेटवर्क के रिगार्डिंग. Okay, so why we are talking about this? Of course, something might have happened, है ना? So recently, some cables in the Red Sea in the Red Sea. Just look at the map, and then you'll find where Red Sea is located. So some cables in the Red Sea were damaged, and this has cut 25% 25% of India's internet traffic. This shows why having more cable network is crucial for India. है ना? तो इंडिया का 25% डायरेक्ट स्लो डाउन हो गया उससे. ओके. तो अब इससे क्या पता चलता है कि इंडिया को बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत है कि केबल नेटवर्क हो वहां पे. And how can India improve its undersea network? First of all, government, the companies uh, need 51 different permission to lay a single cable. अगर कोई कंपनी डिसाइड करती है कि भाई चलो इंटरनेट के लिए एक जैसे केबल बिछानी है ना, अंडरसी केबल बिछानी है, सो दे नीड 51 डिफरेंट परमिशंस. एक सिंगल केबल बिछाने के लिए उनको गवर्नमेंट से 51 डिफरेंट परमिशन लेनी पड़ती है. ओके. एंड तो इस चीज को कम करना होगा, इस चीज को गवर्नमेंट को देखना होगा कि कैसे ईज आउट किया जाए, ईज ऑफ बिजनेस बढ़ाया जाए. सेकेंडली, building more landing stations. Okay, so if more landing stations are there, then we will avoid over reliance on a few cities. है ना, जैसे अभी सिर्फ मुंबई और चेन्नई पे है, तो ऐसे अवॉइड किया जा सकता है. Moreover, India need to invest in repair ships so India can fix its own cables instead of waiting for help. Okay, तो इंडिया को ये भी इसमें यहाँ पे भी देखने की जरूरत है. All right, so students, that's all for today. So we have covered two articles, whether it's about selling goods to the US or accessing fast internet. These issues actually affect our daily life more than we realize. है ना? क्योंकि tariff, it can make international trade more expensive and this can lead to global tensions. Whereas undersea cables are essential for internet, but they need better infrastructure in India. Okay, both these news articles, it shows how connected the world is. What happens in one country, it can affect many others. है ना? So that's all for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed breaking down these complex issues with me. So if you like today's discussion, share this with your friends and family, and let's keep learning together. See you next time. Stay curious, stay informed. Bye bye.